This shower storage shelf doesn't just hold items, it does so much more. Featuring multiple compartments, a water-resistant design, and easy installation, AquaCaddy becomes a companion in your quest for an organized shower space. Whether you're storing shampoo, conditioner, or your favorite bath time essentials, AquaCaddy ShowerMate is the stylish storage solution of your bathing symphony, offering convenience in every splash. It's not just a shelf, it's a symphony of modern bathroom organization. Versatility is AquaCaddy's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one type of shower product, it adapts to your diverse bathing preferences. The multiple compartments ensure that your shower items are neatly organized, whether you're into lavish body washes or classic bar soaps. AquaCaddy ShowerMate is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of shower storage. It's not just a storage shelf, it's an avant-garde solution to your bathroom versatility. Operation is a breeze with AquaCaddy ShowerMate. No need for juggling bottles or searching for your soap. The organized compartments and water-resistant design ensure a mess-free experience, making AquaCaddy ShowerMate a reliable shower companion for your daily cleansing routine. It's not just a shelf, it's an easy upgrade to a world of organized bathing. But what about durability? AquaCaddy ShowerMate doesn't just prioritize convenience, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and the moist environment of the shower. The sturdy construction and well-designed compartments maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your AquaCaddy shelf remains a trustworthy and durable choice for the long run. It's not just a shelf, it's a durable investment in the convenience and style of your shower routine. Now, let's talk about the experience. AquaCaddy ShowerMate isn't just a shower storage shelf, it's a sensory delight. The convenience of well-organized shower products, the versatility in storage options, and the overall enhancement of your bathing routine, it's a symphony of modern bathroom enjoyment. The experience isn't just about storing your shampoo, it's about turning every shower into a harmonious blend of convenience and style. In the grand narrative of bathroom essentials, AquaCaddy ShowerMate isn't just a shelf, it's a revolution. It's a hero that doesn't just hold shower items, it does so with innovation and style.